Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 19 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at Simons Middle School this last week, as you can see from some of the pictures. We did have our very first hide and go seek game of the year, so that is why there is a picture in the connection of a student who is in a trash can. He thought this was a pretty genius hiding spot, and it apparently was until he was found. We also want to take a moment and thank Marty Brandenburg and Miss High for hosting the first ever Brandenburg Boot Camp at SMS. These are going to be on Friday for the next 5 or 6 weeks. So students, if you wish to participate, please see Mrs. High in the Youth Service Center. And remember, you do have to have a permission form on file if you wish to attend. We also want to thank Hinton Mills and Adam Hinton for coming out to SMS last Friday for High Five and Fist Bump Friday. This week we didn't have school today. Obviously, it was the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, but tomorrow is a snow day, and that is why the connection was delayed slightly. We wanted to make sure that we had the snow day announced before the Cougar Connection posted this evening. So we do want to take just a second today and show parents some information or some data from our student IXL account. So IXL is a program that we use at Simons Middle School, and this program has science content, social studies content, math content, and English content. Students do use this program here at school, and you can also see that some of them have been using it at home. So that's what that graphic is from that has the mountain on it. And you can also look, and that information is pretty interesting. For this year, excuse me, since we have been using IXL, I think since about September, our students at SMS have answered almost 600,000 questions on that platform. So that's a great demonstration of learning. And then also, if you take a look at January, the goal for every month from the program is 50,000 questions, and our students have already almost answered their 50,000 questions for the month of January. So way to go, students. Really proud of our Cougars and the way that they are using their programs. Also this week, we will try to have an SBDM meeting tomorrow at 4:15 at SMS. SBDM members, if you cannot make it in, that is quite all right. I will be sending you a Zoom link. We also are supposed to have a basketball game at Nicholas County on Wednesday. 7th grade students, you will have the social studies screener in your classrooms. On Thursday, we were supposed to have basketball versus Mason County here at home. It will also be a makeup day for that social studies screener in the event that we have students who are absent or if school happens to be delayed. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday as always, and it is also open gym with Mr. Brandenburg. So this week, our student spotlight is a group of students who recently competed in the District Governor's Cup. It is the SMS academic team. They had a very successful day at District Governor's Cup. They left as quick recall champions and runner-up overall. The following students of the academic team placed in their written assignments, qualifying them for regional competition. So congratulations to Lucas Campbell, Hunter Ham, Elena Hunt, Maggie McGlone, Maddie Singer, and Tyson Wells. We're really proud of these students. All of these students are great kiddos here at Simons Middle School, leaders, and they stand out. So congratulations, SMS academic team. Can't wait to see how you guys do in the regional competition. This week, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard. Congratulations on Monday to Abigail Smithers. Tuesday, Katie Newsom. Wednesday, Austin Robertson. Thursday, Summer Harmon. And Friday, Tynan Richardson. Our weekly top scorer was Summer Harmon, and our two students with the most activities at 75% or above for the week was Aubrey Jones with 4 in grade 7 and Austin Robertson with 3 in grade 8. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Hopefully we'll see everyone back in school on Wednesday. Have a great week, Cougars.